नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द इंडिकेटिव activities that can be undertaken by a company under corporate social responsibility as per the Companies Act 2013 is specified under which schedule? Answer is schedule 7th. Next question is calls in advance is presented under which of the following head and subheading in the balance sheet of a company as per schedule 3rd part 1 of the Companies Act 2013? Answer is current liabilities minus other current liabilities. Next question is an instrument denominated in US dollars issued abroad by an Indian company to raise funds in some foreign currency and listed and traded on a foreign exchange. It is called? Answer is global depository receipt. Next question है excess of income over expenditure in case of a not for profit organization is? Answer is surplus. और अगर उल्टा होगा तो फिर deficit होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कंडीशन टू बी सेटिस्फाइड बाय एन एग्रीगेशन इन ऑर्डर टू बी कॉल्ड एज अ ग्रुप? आंसर इज द मेंबर्स ऑफ द ग्रुप मस्ट नॉट बी इंटरडिपेंडेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेस्ट यूज फॉर सिलेक्शन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज मेजर्स द इंडिविजुअल्स पोटेंशियल फॉर लर्निंग न्यू स्किल्स एंड इंडिकेट्स द पर्सन कैपेसिटी टू डेवलप? आंसर इज एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट. Next question है which of the following is not a function of International Monetary Fund? Answer is acting as a dispute settlement body. Next question है it is the common thread that runs through and all activities each such as purchase, production, sales, finance to ensure continuity in the working of the organization. It implicit and inherent in all the functions of an organization. From the following identify the concept stated in the given statement? Answer is coordination. Next question is accounting standards are not applicable on which of the following? Answer is charitable organization having no business activity. Next question is an important principle of management that control based on the belief that an attempt states that to control everything result in controlling nothing and hence only the significant deviation which go beyond the permissible limit should be brought to the notice of management. This principle is called management by exception. Next question is goods distributed as free samples will be recorded in which of the following subsidiary book? Answer is journal.